Hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Carly and I'm back with another video. I know I look a little crazy, but it's literally 8 in the morning and I'm outside the gym. I don't know why, and it's Saturday. I don't wake up early on Saturdays. That's not what I do. I cherish my weekends to sleep in because I wake up early every other day. But yeah, I'm in front of the gym. I like woke up this morning with so much energy and so early, and I'm like, if I have all this energy and it's so early, I might as well go to the gym. And I want to film, so like, hey, what's up? If you're new to my channel, like, subscribe. I'm on a weight loss journey, currently like 65 pounds down or something like that. Got a long way to go, so stick with me because I'm gonna get there. But yeah, I literally have like 4 minutes until my class starts at the gym, so I should go. Oh, what do I have taken with me? So I just have my water bottle with me. This is the coldest water bottle, and they're not lying with the name. Like, this water bottle keeps your water so cold. Like, I wish I was like joking, but I'm not. Like, I feel like I like gas it up a lot, but like I'm not. Like, I'm so serious. I didn't fill my bottle this morning. This is from last night, and it's still cold to the touch. So yeah, like, I feel like it's a really good investment and it really keeps your water cold. And on top of that, you save plastic. You don't have to use so many plastic water bottles. So like, it's a win-win for me. If you're interested, I have a link in my description and also a coupon code. So check it out because I'm really telling you, like, it's a really good bottle. So take my word for it. Try it out. I bet you your water gonna be cold. I haven't eaten anything because I literally had to like run out my house. But when I get out, I'll probably have a nice breakfast and tons of energy. So I'll see you then. Hey guys. I look a mess. I'm sweating. I just look crazy. But I just finished my workout. It was everything. Like, literally, I'm so happy that I actually decided to go out and go to the gym this morning. It's the first time I've been to the gym since COVID, and it was just everything I needed. It was so good. The class was really good. You can't really record in there, but I recorded like a little snippet, so I'm gonna put it in. But she kicked my ass. Like, oh my god. This instructor is really good. I really like her. Like, she really like she be doing her thing. Hold on, somebody's watching me and I feel so weird. But yeah, she really like goes really hard in class. But I'm about to go home and cook some breakfast. Don't know what I'm gonna make yet, but something really good. But yeah, I got my workout complete for the day. I got a lot of steps in. So see you guys when I get home. Hey guys, so it's time for breakfast. I'm hot. I need to eat so that I could go about my day. I have such an appetite after I work out. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm making. I'm making an open-faced breakfast sandwich. So let me show you the ingredients. Bob Evans egg whites. You could use any type of egg whites. These are just the ones that I have right now. And they are 25 calories for 3 tablespoons. And I use about half a cup, which is 75 calories worth of egg whites. Then we got some all-natural turkey sausage from Jones Dairy Farm. And I use 2 sausage links, so that's 40 calories because they're 20 calories each. And I use this Tuscan bread. This bread is what makes the sandwich. Like, this bread is everything to me. It's my favorite bread right now. I usually like to use like low calorie, like 40 calorie sliced bread, but this isn't that. It's more calories than that, but it's so good and it's worth the calories, at least to me. So that's why I use it. The brand is Jessica's Brick Oven Bakery and it's Tuscan wheat. It's 80 calories for a slice. The slices are pretty big, like they're long. So if they were cut in half, it would be like the 40 calorie sliced bread. So like if you use 2 of the 40 calorie bread, it would be 80 calories. So like, I don't know, it's cool for me. That's why I kind of made this sandwich like an open face, so I just use 1 instead of just making like a sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich. Because I would have just used 2 like regular 40 calorie bread and it would have been 80 calories. 1 slice is 80. You see what I'm saying? You get me? I know you get me. But yeah, this bread. And I'm going to show you the cheese that I use. I literally have 1 slice left, but it's the Borden fat-free singles American cheese. And it's just like your regular average American cheese. I like this cheese. Oh, also it's 30 calories. Like, what? You can't beat that. This cheese just reminds me of my childhood, and I just love how like ooey gooey. It makes things. So that's why I picked this cheese. Also, another cheese that I like to use is like the Sargento thin sliced cheeses, which are 40 calories a slice, but this is 30 calories a slice. Both are equally good. So yeah, that's everything. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna make it. So for my sausage, I'm gonna microwave it just a little bit, but I'm also gonna cook it on the stove top. I'm just gonna microwave it just so it could defrost a little bit because it's really frozen, and I want to cut it up into little pieces before I toss it into the stove top. I just took the sausage out and it's super duper hot, and I just slice it down the middle like that, and I just make little bite-sized pieces, go in the eggs. Now we're gonna go ahead and just make the eggs. So I always spray my pan with these in the video. It's the Pam cooking olive spray, and it's 10 calories for 5 sprays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put my eggs in, and I'm gonna put some pink salt and some organic black pepper in my eggs. And I'm adding my sausage in. And it's literally already done. As you can see, it takes so quick to cook. My eggs are done, so now I'm just gonna put it on top. Of course, I'd be doing this messy as hell. I like to add the cheese right on top. Here it's his. My open face sausage, egg, and cheese on Tuscan bread. Now it's time for me to take a bite, and I'm super excited about this. Oh my god, it's the bread for me. It's really the bread. Like, the bread makes this. Sandwich is pretty low calorie. It's not that bad. I feel like breakfast is like the easiest meal of the day calorie wise. Like, I feel like a lot of breakfast foods aren't that many calories. So the sandwich is super good. I have literally like 4 blackberries in here, and I'm just gonna use them before they go bad. I'm gonna go shower, get myself together, and go about my day, and I'll see you guys when I'm having lunch. Hey guys, so I've been out all day running errands, and it's like 3 o'clock, and I haven't eaten anything. I'm not going home anytime soon. I'm about to go to my friend's house, so I'm gonna stop at Subway and get something to eat real quick. I'm gonna show you guys what I get. I get a 6-inch. They have like the fresh fit menu, and I get like a 6-inch sub with ham, lettuce, tomato, pickles, a whole bunch of stuff. You can literally customize it on their website, and it shows you how many calories everything is and like the total calorie of your sandwich. So I really like that, especially if you're counting calories, so you can know what's going on, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm about to go over there. I put my order in. I'm about to go over there and pick it up, and I'll show you guys the sandwich when I get it. Can't wait because I'm starving. So see you there. I keep saying see you there. Like, why do I do that? Turn the camera on when I get my sandwich. Made it to Subway. How cute is this entrance though? Okay. So I got my Subway. I'm gonna open this up to see what it looks like. Here we go. This is what it's looking like. 390 calories, I believe. Not bad at all. It's definitely going to be super filling. I'm going to hurry up and taste this because I can't record for long because I can't have my AC on because it's too loud and it's hot as balls. This is actually a pretty good size for 390 calories. Like, it's definitely going to fill me up. Definitely super good, super tasty. Literally just devoured that sandwich. I was so hungry. Like, I couldn't even talk. Like, I was trying to talk to you guys like before I ate the sandwich, and it just wasn't working. Like, I was just like, nah, I need to eat. But I just ate it, finished it, devoured it. It was wonderful. I'm gonna put everything here that was in the sandwich so you guys could know. I like getting stuff from Subway sometimes, just like real quick. I feel like a 6-inch sandwich is pretty filling, and they have the fresh fit menu, which is pretty low cal. Like, it's not that bad. It's not something I would eat every day, but if I need something real quick, I'd rather just like get something at Subway, and I know it'll hold me over until dinner time. So for dinner, I'm actually gonna go to my friend's house, and I am pretty sure I'm gonna be eating dinner there. So I have my camera with me and stuff, so I'll be recording whatever I eat there. See you guys when I'm eating dinner. Hey y'all, so it's dinner time and my friend is cooking up dinner. I'm gonna help her a little bit. I just came out here to tell you guys what's up, tell you guys what's dinner. She's making steak bites in these things called Calorie. I'm gonna go inside and show you guys the package. I'm gonna insert it right here. Oh my god, it's like a cauliflower, it doesn't say broccoli, but to me it's like a cauliflower broccoli like hybrid. Like, it's so good. I found it at the grocery store and we tried it out one day and we really liked it, so we bought it again so we could make. And I think we're gonna make like a little Caesar salad with just romaine and this low calorie Caesar dressing that I really like. I think she's making some like roasted potatoes, but I don't think I'm gonna have any because I just wanted to have like a carb free dinner. So hey, so yeah, steak bites, Calorie, I don't even know if I'm saying it right, and like a little salad. I'm excited. I'll have all the calories and everything you guys know, like when I'm showing the food. So yeah, I'm about to go inside and go help with dinner. I'm gonna take y'all along. Let's go, let's go. This is the cauliflower Calorie that I was talking about. We're air frying it. Oh, and it's looking really good. Dang. The nutrition isn't on the back, but I'll put it on the screen. It's not that many calories because I've had this before and I just remember putting it in my fitness pal and it wasn't a lot of calories. And she's seasoning up the potatoes. They look so good. And this is how the meat is looking. It looks super good. We're actually gonna cook it outside on the grill. Here are the steak bites now. Now that I'm thinking about it, I probably should have put it on sticks and grilled it like shish kebabs, but it's whatever. I'm just gonna turn them when they're ready. They're not ready, I want them to be crispy, and then I'm gonna turn them. So here is dinner. We have our Calorie, nice and crispy. We have our steak, we have the bites, and we also grilled a whole steak. I'm just gonna eat the bites because it's gonna be easier for me to track. I'm gonna weigh everything. And some potatoes, which I'm not gonna have any sadly, but I really want some. And we have a Bella here who's waiting to eat dinner with us. Okay, but yeah, I'll have all the calories and everything like I said before. I said earlier I was gonna eat this with a salad, but we don't feel like cutting salad and we just don't feel like making it. So the beef and the broccoli is a-okay for me. But yeah, I'm about to make my plates. So this is my plate right here. This is what I'm eating for dinner. Super excited. Can't wait to eat. Everything looks super good. I added a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. I don't really know how to say it, but it is 4 calories per tablespoon. And I literally put that little bit. This is really good, and I never knew how low calorie this was. Hey guys, so I definitely stopped filming after dinner. I'm sorry. I got caught up in the moment with my friend and I had a couple glasses of wine and your girl got a little tipsy. It does not take much for me to like feel nice like when I drink. I guess it's the weight loss, but yeah, I had them 2 glasses of wine and I was all set. So yeah, I'm gonna do my little breakdown, tell you guys how many calories I had for the day. So the wine I had, I'm gonna insert it like on the side or something, but it's called Roscato Dolce Rosa. It was actually 130 calories for 6 ounces, and I had 2 glasses, so it was 12 ounces. So that was 260 calories just for wine. But nonetheless, I still was under my calories for the day. So I'm not even mad at it. So that goes to show you, like, you could still have a night out or like drink or something, even something that's like kind of high calorie. If you, well, I didn't even plan for this, but it just ended up working with my calories, which is okay. And honestly, if it went over a little bit, I wouldn't be that mad, just because like obviously it's not something I would do every day. So for the whole day, I ended up having 1,324 calories, and my goal is 1,400 calories. So not that bad, especially for having 2 glasses of wine. It's just because my dinner was kind of low calorie. I feel like if I would have had the potatoes or some type of carb, it would have been a lot higher in calories. So good thing I kind of like opted out of like carbs for dinner. But I will have the breakdown of everything of breakfast, lunch, dinner. And for the snack calories, I just put the wine, which is the 260 calories. But yeah, I'm literally in bed right now, like tired as hell. And I was just like, yo, like I really stopped filming. I really forgot. Like, sorry guys. But you know, I got you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. You know, we on this journey together, sis. We got this. We finna be out here. Finna be out here looking good. We already look good, but we about to be looking even better. You could tell, but I'm pretty delusional at this point. So like, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Join the fam. I'd love to have you. Follow me throughout this journey and just show you guys more of my life. So yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.